Hello everybody, today we make a steak pizzaiola. For the ingredient we got ribeye steak, flour, black pepper, tomato, this is my tomato from my garden. I got garlic, basil, oregano, this every year I'm making my own oregano, salt, e 7 stelle, 7 star, this is my wine. Okay, now the steak we need salt and black pepper, and for the flour we need salt and black pepper. Let's do the flour a little bit and the black pepper. Okay, now we do the steak. Salt, this I use, it's a sea salt, and not black pepper. And now we turn the steak and we put on the other side the same thing, salt and black pepper. Now we put a flour. Now I use a flour for the steak because when you cook this, it make a beautiful color and not lose too much juice. And I do all the time like this with the flour. Okay, now I got this big garlic. What I do, I cut only and a half, like this. I want to use it for the steak when I do the steak. And this other one, I gotta do for the sauce. And I gotta chop a little more thin, like that. And we cut it. And the garlic is ready. And we put it like over here on this little dish. And this little dish, everybody make funny at me because say this is a monkey dish. Okay, now we put the oil. This part over here, it's for the steak. And this one, it's for the sauce. All right, now for the steak, I got the garlic right over here. And I cut a little big. Okay, if this is for the sauce, I got the garlic over here and I chop a little more thin. Now make sure, Pasquale, do not burn the garlic. Because if you burn the garlic, it's no good because you don't got no taste. And same thing with this, you see the garlic is starting to jump around and we lower the gas. And first we put over here the tomato. Okay. And the tomato we leave it cook nice and nice. Okay, now we put it right over here. All right, we raise a little bit more the flame. All right. And you gotta make this a beautiful color. Oh, it fits just right on this part. Oh, look how nice. It's really good. Okay, now for the tomato, we put salt. I use a sea salt, black pepper, I got oregano. This is my oregano. This is really, really good. All right. And we got the basil. And the basil, I put the leaves like this. Okay, give a really good taste to the pizzaiola. All right. And now we leave it cook on low. Okay, now we did on one side 3 to 4 minutes. And now we turn the other way, and look how beautiful the color it got. Look at that, look so good. All right, now we leave it cook on this other side 3 to 4 minutes. Wow, the tomatoes smell really, really good. Oh, it's a shame now. Almost done my tomato, but I cook a lot of time on my tomato. It's really delicious. Look at this. Look how beautiful my tomato. It's really nice. Oh, the smell, the oregano, the garlic, the basil, and the tomato. It's really good. Wait, one of the steak, it got to be inside over here with a nice little glass of wine inside. Oh, now the steak, both sides, it's done. But make sure, Pasquale, load the gas, because you don't want to burn your house. Look how beautiful. Now, what I do, I'm turning the steak, I want the wine, both sides, it give good taste. Wait when I put my tomato on the top. Okay, we leave it evaporate a little bit more the wine. And look at this, beautiful. Okay, now we put the sauce right on the top. Oh. Okay, let's put every place in there. Now we gotta leave it cook the 10 to 15 minutes. After we take out, I wanna taste my steak pizzaiola. Now I want to put one for me. And put a little sauce on the top. Okay, good. Alright? Ooh, look at come apart. It's so tender. Look at that. It's so good. Really tasty. I hope somebody make this steak pizzaiola. It's delicious with a nice glass of wine. Chin chin, salute everybody, and we see next time. Chin chin.